Our next important, or we can say very important topic is significant figures. What is the definition? The digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit are known as significant digits or significant figures. Right? The digits that are known reliably means that are actually known to us plus the first uncertain digit. For example, we are having a number 384.2. Right? Let us consider we have measured the length and that comes out to be suppose 384.2 centimeter. Right? So in this case we know that the scale that is measuring, in that case 384 is the reliable factor, means at least it is having the value 384 and 0.2 can vary. So this is uncertain or unreliable digit. So total significant figures are the 3 reliable and the this one is unreliable or uncertain. So total number of significant figures is 4. Similarly, if we are having 3.24, in this case 3.2 is certain and this is uncertain. So this is 3 significant figures. Now we will discuss the rules how to measure the significant figures of a physical quantity. Let us now discuss about the common rules for counting the significant figures. The first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. For example, if I write the number x is equal to 323247, all these are non-zero digits, so the significant figures is 4. So all non-zero digits are significant. Number 2, all zeros occurring between two non-zero digits are significant no matter where the decimal point is. Second rule is all zeros occurring between any two non-zero digits. Right? 4009 is suppose 1009. So it is having these zeros are significant. So total number of significant figures is 4. And for example, if we write 1.0284, again this 0 is existing between two non-zeros, whatever is the position of decimal. The significant figures in this case will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So significant figures is 5. Again, if we took the example 1.0204, again these zeros are between two significant non-zero digits numbers. So significant figures will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I hope these two are clear. The next one is, if the number is less than 1, the 0 on the right of decimal point and to the left of first non-zero digit are non-significant. If number is less than 1, means let us suppose the number is 0.1234, right? This number is less than 1. If the number is less than 1, the 0 on the right of decimal point and to the left of first non-zero digit are non-significant. So I have to put here 0. Now 0 right of the decimal and left of the first non-zero digit is not significant. In this case, this 0 is not considered to be significant, and total number of significant figures in this case will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total significant figures are 4. Again, if I take the example 0.00246, in this case again the zeros to the right of the decimal point and to the left of non-zero digit, these two zeros are not significant. So total number of significant figures are 3 only. Next, fourth point is, in a number without decimal point, terminal or trailing zeros are not significant. Without decimal point means suppose the number is, fourth point, suppose the number is x is equal to 1720. This is the trailing or terminal 0. Right? So in this case this is not significant, and in this case significant figures are only 3. Next is, however, in a number with decimal point, the trailing zeros are significant figures. Now if for example if I put a point here, decimal point here, so in this case the number of significant figures will become 4, because in this case this trailing or terminal 0 will be considered as the significant number, right? So if there is not any decimal point, in this case this trailing 0 will not be considered as the significant figure, and the total number of significant figures is 3. But if it is having decimal point, in this case this 0 will be considered as significant, and the total number of significant figures are 4. The next sixth point, sixth rule is the change of units does not change the number of significant figures in a measurement, right? So means whatever the system of units you are taking, either you are measuring in meter, or you are measuring centimeter, or you are measuring in millimeter. So whatever is the physical and significant numbers of that physical quantity is, that would remain same. For example, let the length is measured to be x is equal to 5.608 centimeter. Now this is having the 4 significant figures. 4 significant figures. Now let us change this into a system of units in millimeter. In case of millimeter, we will write it as x is equal to 56.08 millimeter. Again, since we know that the 0 after the decimal and before the non-zero digit is considered as significant, so this would be having 4 significant figures. So it means either we have changed the unit system of units, the number of significant figures would remain same.